Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump pads in Jujutsu Infinite. These dynamic platforms are essential for rapid map traversal and reaching elevated positions. When you step onto a jump pad, it propels you high into the air, allowing you to cover significant distances quickly. Mastering their use involves understanding their launch mechanics and integrating them into your movement strategy. They are a core element for both offensive maneuvers and swift escapes across the game's diverse environments. Activating a jump pad is straightforward. Simply walk or run directly onto its glowing surface. You'll notice a distinct visual effect, often a bright light or energy surge, indicating it's active. Upon contact, the pad will launch you upwards and forwards, typically along a predetermined arc. While the primary trajectory is fixed, slight adjustments to your movement input just before launch can sometimes fine-tune your landing, giving you a bit more control over your aerial path. To elevate your gameplay, combine jump pad launches with other abilities. For instance, an air dash immediately after launch can extend your travel distance by several meters or allow you to reach platforms that seem just out of reach. You can also use them to initiate surprise attacks from above, dropping onto unsuspecting opponents. Practice aiming your descent to land precisely on small ledges or specific objectives, turning a simple jump into a tactical advantage. Strategic use of jump pads involves knowing their locations and understanding their unique properties across different maps. Some pads offer a high, short launch, perfect for vertical ascent, while others provide a lower, longer trajectory for horizontal movement. Utilize these differences to your advantage. For example, a well-timed jump can help you flank an enemy position, escape a dangerous situation in a matter of seconds, or quickly reposition to support your teammates, giving you a significant tactical edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.